Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and this is how to make a garage door look fancy. And you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order this online. What's so cool about this? They're magnets and they stick to your garage door, and you don't have to drill, you don't have to modify your garage door in any way. Check this out right here. This is my garage door before installing this. It's a basic looking garage door, man. Nothing fancy about it. Doesn't look cool, doesn't look cool. It's just a garage door. See, here's a piece. You can see the magnet on each end. And it's very convincing looking. So look at that. That's a magnet. Look at that. Here it is. I've got them installed in my garage door. So I've upgraded my garage door to look super duper fancy. I mean, it's that simple, man. It's magnets. You attach them. Expand this video's description, and then click the link there and you can find where to order them online. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.